Hello guys, so today I want to show you guys how you can download high quality YouTube videos on your mobile phone. So what you need to do is to download an application. So the application is called vidmate, but currently it's not available on Play Store. So what you need to do is to download the application on Google directly from the website. So what you need to do is to type vidmate, vidmate, vidmate download. So once you type vidmate download, you need to look for the official website of vidmate. Do you understand? So you can see that the official website is currently showing at the top. So click on it. You understand? Then after clicking on it, you can see that you're already on the site. So you can see the vidmate logo there and everything else. So all you need to do is to click on official download. So after clicking on official download, it's going to show you file might be harmful. So do you want to download vidmate? And then the likes. So just click on download anyway. But since I already have vidmate on my phone, what I'm going to do is to just go there and show you how you can download the YouTube video I'm talking about. So let's say, okay, let's look for vidmate. So this is vidmate right here. So what you will need to do is, one thing about vidmate is there are many ads here, a lot of ads here. So what you need to do is to always be ready to press go back. So okay, so I want you guys to look for is to look for any video. Okay, look for any video you want to download. So let's say I want to download Naruto. it, it's just an example. Okay, so it's just an example. So you can see that there are different options. So after you've seen what you're looking for, what you can do is to click on download. So if I want to download this video, for example, look at the lower right side of the video. There's an arrow facing down. So that arrow is what you need to click on. After clicking on it, you can see that you have different options. You have two options. You have the video option and the music option. So the video options, we have different pixels you can download, video pixel, format you can download. The first one is 1080p, the second one is 720p, and then 480p, 360p, 240p, and 144p. Same goes for music. You understand? So you can download music and listen to them. You don't need to use, like some people used to use Spotify and all of that. It's good, but if you can't afford Spotify, or you can't pay for it, then you can also come on vidmate and download the music you want to listen to as music format. You understand? You can also download videos. So there are different formats. You can have up to 4K format for videos, but it depends on whether the person who uploaded the video on YouTube uploaded uploaded the video as a 4K video or a 1080p video. So it depends. Do you understand? So yeah, so these are the options. So let's say if I want to download the 720, so just click on download, and like I said, there are lots of ads here. So what you have to do is to always be ready to press go back. Okay, so I've already downloaded it. So that's how you can download YouTube videos. You understand how you can download YouTube videos on your mobile phone? It's very easy. You can download high quality videos here. You understand? So that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching.